Hi everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech Burnsville, and I just want to talk to you about any cell phone repairs that we offer. We work on all kinds. There's Samsung, LG, Motorola, any kinds of Android phones we can work on as well as iPhones. And we offer a variety of repairs. I can do screen repairs. They vary from model to model. For Androids, they usually take about 2 hours to do. For iPhones, they can take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. I can also swap out your charge port if it feels like, it's loose, or if it's just not fitting right or not working. Any pins bent, we can replace that. Batteries can get replaced easily enough. iPhones will only take about 15 minutes. For Samsungs or a lot of the LGs, they only take about half an hour. You don't need an appointment for any of these. You can just stop in. We do all of the buttons, cameras, anything on the phone we can pretty much replace. I might have to order the part depending on if it's a little bit unusual of a model, but we can always get it in here. You don't need an appointment. You can always just stop in anytime. We are open Monday through Friday at 10 to 6 and Saturday 10 to 3. And if you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice night.